check secured. Check secured. Are you betting on me? Or is my enemy?
It's bring your kid to work day, and I am applaud. Look at the drawings my son putting in here. You know what you're doing, Stink?
Yeah.
You about to build a desk?
Yeah, he just needs me to pick up the pieces. That's all.
Cause they heavy.
He do everything else. He said he did all the. He was doing. He was tightening them with the screws. He tightened the pegs.
I see you don't fit. You turned it the other way, huh, Stink?
You know.
How's that little cookie you was eating? Cause it's still on your mouth.
My boy. He's having a good time here
This
today,
is
man.
so funny. I know. I wish he,
He
you know.
was mad while he
stay
was
all
late,
day.
but
Oh, of course.
he said, "Baby,
Hello, everyone. I just wanted to come on here and say that we went to a wedding of my cousin right there, Macho. He married Jasenia, and it was just such a beautiful celebration. So I don't know why I didn't record myself saying what we were doing. Obviously, you guys can tell, but I just wanted to just come on here and say what was going on and congratulate them, the Sanchez's now, and everything was so beautiful and nice, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little montage. Okay.
Everyone.
No. Ow. Oh, I'm sorry.
Let's introduce you all to Mr. and Mrs.
When I'm flying, the descent is still my favorite part. Easy to end and hard for me to start. You don't wanna feel that part of me that's cold and numb with apathy. Cause when I feel that way, I can't help nobody. Nobody, I can't trust nobody. Nobody, I can't trust nobody. No, no, nobody, I can't trust nobody. No, 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 not even myself. Needed you to be mindful of me. Needed you to be mindful. Stretch out my to you, but I'm young and still prideful. Needed you to be mindful of me. Needed you to be mindful. Where the fuck does your mind go? Where the fuck did the time go? Small talk kept the lights so. Cut to the chase, get out my face. Needed you to be mindful of me. Needed you to be mindful. Stretch out my hand to you and take down your blindfold. Imagine that I reach out to you, but I'm young and still prideful. Needed you to be mindful of me. Needed you to be mindful. Where the fuck does your mind go? Where the fuck did the time go? Small talk kept the lights so. Cut to the chase, get out my face. Look in the mirror, look at your face. See that it's destiny, see that it's fate. Wash off the mess of me from yesterday. Hit the sativa, caffeine in the play. Essence superheroes stand beside when I'm feeling down, down, down. But I'm optimistic that I can turn it all around, round, round. Baby, if you felt my pain, you know how strong I am. Make this shit look easy, swear it's hard to stand. I didn't make no time for falling. It was never in my plan. Examination, recall, rehaul, that's just who I am. Are you checking on me? Are your checks secured? Are you betting on me? Or is my enemy preferred? Are you down to ride? Can I really trust your word? Can I really trust your word? Cause I needed you to be mindful of me. Needed you to be mindful. Stretch out my hand to you and take down your blindfold. Imagine that I reach out to you, but I'm young and still prideful. Needed you to be mindful of me. Needed you to be mindful. Where the fuck does your mind go? Where the fuck did the time go? Small talk kept the lights so. Cut to the chase, get out my face. Needed you to be mindful of me. Needed you to be mindful. Stretch out my hand to you. Take down your blindfold. Imagine that I reach out to you. I'm young and still prideful. Needed you to be mindful of me. Needed you to be mindful. Where the fuck does your mind go? Where the fuck did the time go? Small talk kept the lights so. Cut to the chase, get out my face.
First of all, why you out here like you vacationing?
Because we're kind of on vacation because the
Who?
walk is like on a vacation.
Who's on vacation? Amelia. Oh, we go together? All right, show me your best stuff, man.
But that's not my best. That's not my
It's not your best? Okay, come on. That 1, 2, 3. We're ready. We're ready now. Woo! Look at that. He doing his thing out here. All right, boy. Woo! That was good stuff right there. That was good stuff right there. Let me get a picture. Let me get a picture. All right, I'll send it to your daddy. Good morning, people. It is like, I don't know what time it is. It's 11. I don't know why it's 11. Because I planned on leaving the house at 9. But it's 11. Hey, shit happens. Anyway, we out here walking the park. Y'all know I'm trying to lose some weight. I am getting there, okay? Because this Miami trip is coming. And I got a little bit of time. Just a little bit of time, y'all. Don't worry, because we vlogging in Miami, okay? The whole vlog is just going to be Miami, okay? Because I've never been to Miami. I've been to Florida last year for the first time. But Miami, no, haven't been. But we're going to have fun.
You can just.
You can hold it on your, listen, this is what this is for. It's for this, to keep around your neck and your back so you can hold your own stuff. Put the glasses right on the chest. There you go. Look at you. Look at you. You ready, boy? Don't go too far. You know, you go a little bit. And when you get there, you see that right there, right? You got to stop because cars go in and out of there, okay? And wait for me. All right, y'all, I'll catch y'all because y'all know I'm walking. I'm about to listen to my music, so I'll catch y'all during lunchtime because I'm probably going to get me a good-ass salad from somewhere. All right, guys, I got this salad from Mom's Organic Market. Of course, the tape wants to stick to my finger. So I'm trying to be cute and open this. Come on, salad. It's all kale. And then you got like red cabbage in there, purple cabbage in there, I'm so sorry. Corn, carrots, cilantro, and what's those little things called? Those little beans, garbanzo beans. So good. So good. And this vegan crema dressing, so delicious. What is up, everybody? He ain't wearing that same hoodie, y'all. But y'all know how he do. We at the mall. We chilling. You know what I'm saying? We about to get some food. I like that shirt. I probably bought him that shirt though. Oh, Noah, you ain't clean your room? Noah, you ain't clean your room? Oh, Noah ain't clean his room, y'all, so this is what we have to deal with. We are not buying any candles. We're not buying any candles. See? Who buys candles? This he does. That's what he does. Come on, I want to eat. We're going to walk past it later. See, I told y'all he wanted a candle. Ain't nobody got time for that. We about to eat some pizza. We are going to eat first, and then we can have as much fun as you guys like. Okay? See, look, I have to keep these people together. They don't want to do nothing they supposed to be doing. And I have to make Joey come because he's paying for the pizza. I'm not buying pizza. I paid for dinner last night. I'm not buying for dinner tonight. Now, I normally cook, but yesterday I had such a bad day. Oh my goodness, I was frying chicken. The chicken fell all over the floor. It was just horrible. If you don't stop, it'll punch you right in your face. It was all horrible. So that was my life yesterday. So that's why I didn't cook. And then today's Friday, so the weekend here. So I cook Sunday through Thursday. So that is my life. So I'll catch y'all when we get the pizza. Oh my gosh.
Okay, pride count. Pride rainbow for you.
It's a fucking rainbow.
It is going down. Say what's up to the vlog.
Smoky as hell.
I can still see you.
I don't want the smoke to hit you in the face.
I love it. No, are you scared?
No.
You scared? What is up, people? I am out here and we about to watch some fireworks. I know it's really hard for y'all to see me. How can I do this? Everybody about to come out and enjoy the fireworks. Y'all should see my hair. It's kind of blonde. Maybe I should. I'm gonna pull up on myself. They're closing down the streets. I'm at my sister-in-law's house. Oh, look, can y'all see the hair blonde? I'm not, I don't know if I'm feeling this. You know? The hair is the only thing is the sweating. Like, that's what gets me. Like, you know, when your hair sweats and stuff like that, that is the problem. Because it starts to drip. And then you out here with the Jerry curl drip. Okay, ain't nobody got time for the Jerry curl drip. So, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying?
It is not happy.
We out here, people. Crack. Noah, feed this. Oh, what's up, son? We trying to see the fireworks.
You can't see it.
I know. It's just the fireworks that you can't see.
Oh. I see it. It's
Bianca, look
way
up.
over there. Hey! Roger with the blanket.
Listen, every time I pull my phone out, the fireworks disappear.
Roger's a player.
There you go. Let's go.
You know Roger was a player like that. He said, how romantic, Roger. Let me sit on this shit.
Yeah, you don't. Jay doesn't mind at all. He don't even know what's happening.
Good morning, people. I'm pissed because somebody drank my water. Y'all can just about guess who it is, okay? Because every time, he always eats the last or drinks the last of my stuff. I'm very sick of him. Look at him. Look at him. You know, that's why you corny and you stink. Yo, what's up, homie?
What's up, honey?
Listen, you got sit in your seat and you got to eat that sandwich, okay? We're not friends with him. We're not friends with him because he drank my water. I had a full water in here for him, but he just decided to drink my water. Hey, Stink. How's that sandwich? Noah. It's kind of good.
Actually, good. I barely.
I don't even think you ate a piece of it.
I barely ate a piece.
Barely ate a piece. All right. Kicking it with the Colemans.
Coleman's. You ain't at your grandma's house?
Kicking it with the Colemans.
I can put my seatbelt on.
Oh my goodness. Something's going to happen since he put his seatbelt on. No, you cannot have none of my stuff. No, you shouldn't drink my water.
You so mad about this water?
I am. I'm pissed off. It's a quarter. See, nobody asked you. Don't say it's just water. It's not just water. It was mine. Your dad always drinks my stuff. That water was sitting there for me.
I drank it.
You lying. Don't take off for your dad. He already...
No, really, I drank it. Oh, I drank the rest. Daddy told me.
So both of y'all did that together.
So I can't have it.
No, I can't have nothing because y'all always taking my stuff.
Y'all can't have it.
I use that sugar scrub in my hand. Look at my hand.
Oh, it don't look like it's killing or nothing. Now he using my body wash. I don't need to be in the Old Spice commercial. Okay? And my sugar scrub.
You need to be in the old school. You need to get that swagger.
Daddy,
You need to buy your own body wash and sugar scrub.
They don't have that shit for men.
They don't have to have it for men. You just buy
They
your
have
own.
body wash for men.
You're using my stuff, though.
I use a little bit. I wonder if I put the lid back on.
And that's another thing. He used my stuff. I go in the shower, the lid's off of it.
Going on.
What's up with that?
You use a girl's night. Nah, you need to talk shit about when you see him, don't you?
I'm a oh, I gotta bleep that out. Oh, I took a picture of myself. Look. Look over here. That's how you look in the camera. Right here.
Noah.
I dressed this bum today. He fine, ain't he, y'all? Talking about some no.
Want some Mentos, Mommy?
I got some Mentos for you. Oh man, I got my license plate in there. I just bleed that out. Woo! Is that cutie? He feeling himself.
So please have some Mentos.
Here, baby, there's for you. Go with daddy. We at the Franklin Mills.
I be having, I gotta keep this boy so mental. I like
What you like? The little watch joint?
these.
Not the diamonds. Nah. Nah, it looks girly.
Icy.
Anyway, we are inside of this mall.
I'm trying to buy
This is called Franklin Mills, or is it not called Franklin Mills no more? Philadelphia Mills. All right, for y'all young bulls, sorry. Y'all youngins, it's Philadelphia Mills, but for us old heads, it's called Franklin Mills. They got 1 million stores up in here. We ain't really looking for nothing. It's empty because it's the holiday weekend. But we gonna watch some fireworks later. Have some fun. Do a little barbecuing tomorrow. So I'm gonna actually have this vlog out to y'all tomorrow instead of today, which is Sunday, because I prefer to, you know, keep the vlog going. So vlog will be a little bit late. Alright.
I want to play it in Target. And I always forget I can't play it.
The hood shit right here. We out here lighting candles up, okay? All right. These daggone bugs is not playing.
I got a lighter over here. Lighter. Anybody? Lighter. You got lighter?
Yeah. You know, when the writing's on the wall, you in the hood. It's like, look. You want some water ice?
Yeah.
No, it don't be in the hood like that. Let's get some water ice.
All you got to do is nothing. He's bought. I know you ain't got me on this joint.
What you on?
Yo. I'm trying to find out.
Right here is my
I'm
brother.
trying to find out, man.
I love my brother.
Man, what's up with the leash, man?
Anybody got no, what kind of leash? Ain't no puppy
They ain't
brother.
say.
Not
They
with
ain't
her.
say.
You want to see
They come over here and say they live.
What's little kitty, the harness? The harness?
baby sister?
You on everything.
Chest
Both
day.
in his stomach, everything.
Oh man, that means he eating good. Don't be like that, Dad. No, he's talking cash. They not where I go. I said vlog. Dad, what you doing? He not what you. Listen, man, if the chicken's messed up, you know who did it. You need some more water on that chicken.
What you mean? This is the bottom of the chicken. This is how to take it off. Oh, man.
Oh, the chicken ain't burned. Don't be like that.
That means you gotta take it off, put it back on,
Nah.
and it tries to stick.
This shit is alright. Need some help. This man is on the grill. Let me get a good little in the hood. All right, guys. So we are inside of the store. We're in Walmart, as you can see. No prices. Don't see that. All right. So, Noah needs a new bike. Yep. I think he has like a 16-inch bike right now. So this is a really, really dope bike right here. So I'm gonna show y'all what we about to get for Noah, if we can get it. Oh, look, they got a bigger one. Oh no, that's the same bike. He needs a 20-inch bike at least. Yeah, he has a 16-inch bike at home. So you can see how far behind we are. We got the bike for him for graduation from pre-K. Exactly. So let's see what we can get. The what?
This red one right here is 20 inches.
Oh, the one up there?
The one that says white out.
Oh, okay. Oh, here goes this one right here. This Huffy one, this blue one. This blue one's a 20-inch right here. This one's, is this $80? Yeah, this one's $80, babe. You hear me? This is nice.
This mongoose is nice.
Huh?
This mongoose is nice.
Is that the red one?
Oh, ew.
That shit, that's
I
$168.
hate that. That's
I'm not paying $200 for them bike.
It's a mongoose.
Yeah, I don't give a shit what it is. I'm gonna pay $80 because he gonna grow right up out of that bike. $78. Boom.
20 inch.
Yep, that's what he need.
See, I need 4'2" to 5 foot.
Huh?
He's like 4'3" now.
Yeah, he's 4'3". Cause I told you he was in between it.
Somebody just seen something to him and they was like, damn, boy, you got even taller.
Yeah.
I think he grew even more.
Yeah, he definitely did.
Rip it out for him, or?
What, that bike? Yeah, you can, or it's one down here, but I think.
138, but it got 2 sets of pads on it. That shit's
Yeah, I know. Them Jones is hot. They got another one over there.
You can just buy pads.
That one's 18 inches though.
Huh?
Oh, that one is 20 inches.
20.
Okay.
That one costs 138. They got the pad. You
Okay.
can buy pads. They got pads here.
Okay.
Hey, look.
Well, Noah, are you excited to get a new bike?
Yeah.
All right, look at the bike we're looking at. Not that's too big for you, honey. Look, this one right here is your size. You like that?
Kind of.
It's blue.
Oh, wait, I do like that. I thought it had the things. Those things that are popping out.
Yeah. All right. We about to light our own fireworks. I know y'all tired of seeing fireworks. But what do y'all expect? It's the 4th of July weekend.
Oh,
Like,
no, I want to let off some fireworks, buddy.
Okay.
so this is what we're going to do. Okay. So let's have Noah,
Yeah.
Come on,
you ready?
buddy.
Yeah. 1 second.
Y'all hear this? He's playing with his cars. Come on, we're going to do the fireworks, Noah.
It's 4th of July.
It's 4th of what?
July.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Somebody told me on Fortnite.
Oh, somebody told you on Fortnite. Yeah, we just went outside and did the fireworks. It was mad people outside looking at our fireworks. They must have not been able to see no fireworks. I feel so bad. I'm ready to like go to the store right now, y'all, and buy fireworks just for the neighborhood because that was weak. We just had some little poppers, man. We ain't got no sparklers or nothing up in there. Oh, man. You cannot sit on this couch with me smacking like this. I'm telling you, you have to go in the room. I'm serious. Both of y'all. That shit is annoying. Stop.
Okay.
You and your dad. I'm telling you, I'm going to knock somebody right out.